switch has a wire frame on the back that holds it into the dash that attaches to the bezel. You remove first the switch part, which is this push rocker. Depress the small plastic tab on the top and bottom at the same time, very gently. Pull the switch out, and you can see the little wire basket that holds it can be slid out, and the bezel can be pulled out of the dash. The bezel's held in also by these little tabs on the side. You depress those very slightly and pull them out of the dash. Mine just pulled out. Put it back together in the opposite order. Bezel first. And the new switch. Finished.